How to delete your account on Instagram. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily delete your account on Instagram. The very first thing you want to do is open up Instagram application. Make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to delete. And then from there, find the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on profile, you will find the hamburger icon at the top right. Tap on that. And then from there, you should be able to see the account center. Go to account center and then find personal details over here. Tap on personal details. Under personal details, you'll have account ownership and control. Just head over there and then select deactivation or deletion. Now choose which account you want to deactivate or delete. I'll just select my Instagram account. And then the first option is to temporarily deactivate your account, which means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by just logging into your Instagram. But if you're sure that you want to delete it permanently, select the second option. And then when you delete your Instagram account, as it says here, your profile photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. And if you just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate instead. Now, if you're sure you want to permanently delete, tap on the second option and continue. Then, as you can see here, since your Threads account will also be connected to your Instagram, it will also be deleted. Tap and continue again. Select your reason why you're deleting. Tap and continue. And then scroll all the way to the bottom. If there is any data that you want to download before you delete anything, you'll have that option. Now, if you don't want any of that, tap and continue. Finally, and then you have to provide your account password for security reasons. And that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Be sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.